Hi everyone, this is Shrestha Srivastava, student of AttainU, Subramanian batch. I have completed my modern stack course, which is actually a full stack web development course offered by AttainU. So I'm here to share my overall experience with everyone so that it can help the new joiners to make their right decision. So let me first introduce myself. I belong to an absolute non-coding background, be it my educational background or be it my professional background. Before joining AttainU, I was working in several non-technical domains where I could not discover my interest because I always had a passion of software industry, like how the softwares, websites, applications are built in real-time picture. Also, while I was about to join AttainU, I was in a dilemma, like which platform should I choose, as there are many other options also available in the market. But my decision of choosing AttainU turned into a game changer as the time passes by. I got to know about AttainU through one of my friends who also joined AttainU along with me, and luckily we got placed at a very good package. There are several points which made me choose AttainU, but I'll list only two main points over here. First one is pay after placement, and the second one is learn full stack web development course from the scratch, even if you belong to a non-coding background. And these 2 points literally helped me make the right decision in my life. So I got in touch with AttainU admission team and joined AttainU. After joining AttainU, I learned various web technologies like Next.js, React.js, GraphQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Express.js, Node.js. And the best part about AttainU is the backend part. Like Node.js, Express.js, databases like MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and the entire credit goes to Mr. Yashashvi Sinha, as he's the best mentor one can ever get, especially when it comes to learning backend programming from an absolute scratch. Like, I really appreciate his patience level and the way he broke the most complex topics into easy fragments, which actually helped me in clearing all the doubts, all the interview related questions. Yashashvi sir not only helped us through his 2-3 hours lectures, but he also took several extra classes during weekends, which was indeed very helpful for us. Before joining the placement, before I come to the placement part, I want to share that I got an opportunity to work as a software development intern with AttainU itself, where I got to know about how the theoretical knowledge gets applied into real life projects, how the server works, how the industry works in real time environment. And I really thank Mr. Divyam Goyal, who is the CEO of AttainU, and Mr. Vaibhav Bajpayee sir, who is the co-founder of AttainU, for his excellent guidance. While I was working as an intern, my entire credit goes to only two persons. One is Mr. Rahul Kumar, who used to be my manager, and second one is Mr. Nanda, who used to be my senior. Rahul sir is literally so brilliant and excellent in every single technology I know so far. He, be it MLAI or be it Java or be it system design or any other technology. Under his guidance, I learned a lot, which made me much more confident to appear in any job interview. And I also want to thank Mr. Nanda, who used to be my constant support in every single step. He used to be my mentor throughout my internship journey. Now coming back to the placement journey, AttainU really pushed us to get our dream job at a very good package. I really thank Fatima ma'am for the placement, for her constant guidance and support, without which my interview, my dream of getting the job would not be possible. My suggestion for the future student is just have a faith in AttainU's curriculum and don't believe in any kind of rumors. Just go with the flow with AttainU, and trust me, you'll gradually land into your dream job. As you proceed further with AttainU, you will come to know, you'll realize that you are gradually moving one step closer to your dream job. And last, I would only say that if you're joining AttainU, just believe in them and keep your motivation, dedication high at all time. Thank you.